Hello to all amazing minds. Welcome back to Finding On. Today, we're about to blow your mind with something super cool, a hidden power you've always had, but might not realize yet. And guess what? It's called innovation. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves solving problems, by the end of this video, you'll know how to make your life more exciting, efficient, and fun using innovation. Let's dive in. So stay curious, because by the end of this video, you might just discover how to nurture your creative confidence and evolve into a visionary leader. So, what is innovation exactly? Some techie wizardry? Nope. It's actually way simpler and cooler. Innovation is all about taking a creative idea and turning it into something real. At its core, innovation is simply the process of turning ideas into value. This value can be anything from solving a problem, improving an experience, or creating something new. According to a McKinsey report, 84% of executives say innovation is crucial for their business. And BCG says, companies that innovate experience 2.5 higher revenue growth. Also, the reports of Accenture suggest that 74% of consumers expect companies to innovate products/services that make their lives easier. Yet, many struggle to actually achieve it because they forget that innovation starts with curiosity. Did you know Airbnb started with two guys renting out air mattresses in their living room? Fast forward, now it's worth over $31 billion. From air mattresses to a travel empire. That's the magic of innovation. Here's a challenge for you. The next time you see a problem, ask yourself, how can this be easier or more fun? That's how innovation starts, and trust me, it can be your superpower. The diffusion of innovations theory. How ideas paradigm. Understanding the diffusion of innovations theory developed by Yem Rogers in 1962. Understanding the diffusion of innovations theory developed by Yem Rogers in 1962. The diffusion of innovations theory describes how new ideas, behaviors, technologies, or goods spread through a population gradually, rather than all at once. Adoption starts with innovators and early adopters, then spreads through the population to the early majority and late majority. Laggards are the last ones to adopt a new innovation. This theory breaks down how cool ideas spread, like wildfire. Let's say you just discovered a futuristic gadget. It feels like science fiction. Think Neuralink, where your brain controls devices. How does this mind-blowing tech go from just an idea to something everyone's using? It all follows these steps. Diffusion happens through a 5-step process of decision-making. The 5 steps are awareness, interest, evaluation, trial, adoption. Rogers renamed these knowledge, persuasion, decision, implementation, and confirmation in later editions of his book. Ready, set, innovate. Transforming your personal life. Let's take innovation out of the tech space and into your personal life. You might be thinking, I'm just trying to get through my day. But here's the truth. Innovation starts at home, with you. Think about how you could level up your daily routines. Is there something that drains your energy every day? Maybe it's that long commute or those annoying, repetitive tasks at work. Now, what if you could find ways to fix that? A stay-at-home parent decided to use smart home devices like Alexa to automate daily chores, which includes turning on lights, controlling appliances, and setting reminders. Now, they've freed up hours every week to work on their side hustle. That's innovation in action. So, how can you innovate your personal life? Maybe it's organizing your space in a way that boosts productivity or using an app to track your habits and unlock more free time. The innovation process, from inspiration to scaling up. It all starts with the brilliant idea you've got. Then, what's next? Let's break down how to take that spark of inspiration and turn it into a game-changing reality. Step 1. Inspiration. Innovation is all about being curious and observant. The world is full of problems just waiting for a solution. Maybe it's an everyday inconvenience, like a clunky bike helmet that's too bulky to carry around. That's what one college student thought before. She invented a foldable bike helmet, a simple but effective solution that turned a personal frustration into a product people love. The key here? Identifying on whether they're small inconveniences or major challenges. They're your stepping stones to innovation. Step 2. Ideation. This is where you let your imagination run free. Sometimes the craziest ideas turn out to be the most successful. Remember the Post-it note? A scientist was trying to invent a super strong adhesive, but ended up with something weak instead. Instead of scrapping the idea, he saw its potential, and today, Post-it notes are used worldwide. The lesson here? Be open to unexpected opportunities and think creatively about how to apply even on your own mistakes. Step 3. Prototyping. Now it's time to get practical by building a prototype. First, it doesn't need to be perfect, just functional enough to test in real-world conditions. Take a great example of Elon Musk's SpaceX, an American spacecraft manufacturer, launch service provider, and satellite communications company, with the goal of reducing space transportation costs through reusability and ultimately developing a sustainable colony on Mars. Their rockets didn't land successfully on the first try and crashed multiple times, but each failure provided valuable insights, leading to eventual success, like landing parts of their Starship, a key step toward reusable rockets. Even when they had to intentionally destroy Starship mid-flight, it was part of refining the innovation process. So think of your failure as a stepping stone, not a setback. It's how you perfect your idea. Step 4. Scaling the growth. Once your solution works, it's time to think bigger. How can you take it from a small idea to something that impacts the masses? Think about Instagram. It started as a simple photo app and evolved into a billion-dollar platform by staying agile and adapting to its users' needs. Scaling isn't just about growth. It's about refining and adjusting your idea to meet the needs of a larger audience. Also to think out of the box way to solve your daily problem. The power of innovation in a changing world. Want to speed up your innovation game? Technology is here to help. Whether you're learning a new language or designing 3D models, also building websites on Squarespace or creating graphics, there's a tool for everyone. With so many accessible options, you can turn your ideas into reality faster than ever before. The unseen side of innovation. Unintended consequences. Innovation brings progress but can have hidden costs. Social media, designed to connect us, has also contributed to anxiety and information overload. Over-reliance on technology. Innovation can lead to overdependence on tech, like relying on GPS, causing us to lose the knowledge of navigation on our travel, which is an essential life skills. Job displacement due to automation. Automation and AI boost efficiency, but often replace repetitive jobs, leading to the need for reskilling and workforce adaptation. Innovation fatigue. With constant new products and ideas, we face innovation fatigue. Sometimes, too much innovation can feel overwhelming rather than helpful. Innovation inequality. Not everyone has equal access to the latest innovations. The lack of access to latest tech innovation, like in rural areas, deepens the inequalities due to delay of people adopting to latest tech or innovation of all industry, making it crucial to ensure innovation benefits all communities. Environmental impact. The rapid creation of new gadgets increases e-waste, stressing the need for sustainable innovation practices that consider long-term environmental effects. These challenges highlight that while innovation can solve problems, it must be approached with responsibility, inclusivity, and sustainability in mind. Innovate the future. Lead the way. Now, let's talk about the future. It's full of possibilities: AI, space travel, sustainable tech. But here's the cool fact. You could be the one to shape that future. With tools like 3D printing and AI-assisted design, add many. Your wildest ideas can become reality faster than ever before. So, here's my challenge for you. Over the next 24 hours, find something in your life that could be easier, more efficient, or more fun. Drop your wildest ideas in the comments below, because who knows? Your idea could be the next big thing. Stay curious and keep creating. The world is waiting for your innovation. Make sure to subscribe for more interesting videos like this. And hit that like button if you're ready to become the next game changer.